In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own videos without having to do any filming or doing any creating on your part. And what you're going to do is just use other people's videos. So to do this, you would just go to youtube.com/editor. And this is where you would edit your own videos. So this is basically a free tool, but basically you could just choose the option here. If you look at the options here, it says CC, which stands for Creative Commons, and you have permission to use these videos, people's videos, that's, they're giving permission for you to use for your own use or your or commercial use. So what you could do here, you could do search. If you want to do a video about weight loss, you can just type that in here. Okay, and then let's just select the first one here, and you could just drag that down here. And you have the tools here to edit it. You can add text, and so basically, just play around with this and get the hang of it. And yeah, so this is only one way for you to make money with videos on YouTube. I do advise you to also create your own videos. There's lots of free tools out there. I use a paid tool called Camtasia, but if you just look around, there's lots of great free tools out there as well.